Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghost Tower game. To begin, your main goal is to construct a formidable tower and protect it from relentless ghost attacks. You'll start by choosing your tower's initial placement on the game board. Every player receives a starting allocation of 100 gold coins and 5 fundamental building blocks, which are crucial for your initial construction efforts. This foundational phase sets the stage for your entire defense strategy against the spectral onslaught. Now, let's talk about building your tower. You'll use your initial resources and any you earn to add new sections and strengthen your defenses. There are several types of building materials, each providing unique benefits, such as increased health or elemental resistance. Remember to strategically position defensive units, like archers or mages, on different tower levels to maximize their effectiveness against incoming threats. Careful planning here is key to a strong defense. As you build, spectral foes will begin their assault. Ghosts will advance in waves, aiming to dismantle your carefully constructed tower. Your defensive units, such as archers and mages, will automatically engage these enemies, but you can also direct their focus. Be aware that some ghosts have special abilities, like phasing through walls or summoning smaller spirits, which demand specific tactical responses to ensure your tower remains intact and secure. To truly master the Ghost Tower game, focus on continuous upgrades. Enhance your tower sections and defensive units to boost their strength and durability against tougher enemies. As you progress, you'll unlock powerful special abilities and devastating spells that can dramatically shift the battle in your favor. Ultimately, victory is yours when you successfully withstand a predetermined number of ghost waves or conquer a formidable final boss, proving your strategic prowess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.